Hello everyone, my name is Simmarpreet Kaur. I am a student of class 12th in Government Victoria Girls Senior Secondary School, Patiala. Today we will discuss about different type of collisions. There are mainly two type of collisions, that is elastic and inelastic collisions. To show different type of collisions, we need glass balls, two pens and bat with ball. To show elastic collision, we use glass balls. We will make them move towards each other on a flat surface, due to which they come to one point and collide with each other. In this activity, momentum and kinetic energy almost remain conserved because in this, minimum amount of heat and sound is produced. This is called elastic collision. To show inelastic collision, we use bat and ball. Most of the collisions in our daily life are inelastic in nature. In the collision of bat and ball, momentum is conserved but kinetic energy is not conserved due to generation of sound and heat. This is called inelastic collision. Now we will discuss about the special case of inelastic collision, that is perfectly inelastic collision in which colliding bodies stick together after the collision. To show perfectly inelastic collision, we use two pens. When one pen collide with other which is at rest, they stick together and move as one object. This is called perfectly inelastic collision. Thank you.